Hi, I'm Rich Bucheri from Pointer Bucheri Accident Recovery Attorneys, and today we're going to be breaking down this Florida interstate accident involving multiple vehicles. I'll present the facts and I'm going to be asking you for your video verdict. The video we're going to watch is a dash cam from a vehicle on I-95 in Fort Lauderdale. It's a rainy day and the action in the video starts right away as a red car in the far left lane loses control and slides into the white van. The white van nearly crashes into the cars that are in the breakdown lane to the left before the van driver is able to steer right in front of our dash cam driver and go all the way across all lanes of traffic. Unfortunately, at that very moment, a cement truck is coming down the right lane. The van strikes it, sending it head-on into a traffic sign pole. Miraculously, the driver of the cement truck appears through a cloud of construction dust. While it seems clear that the red car started this tornado of events, one might argue that the weather and road conditions were a factor. Clearly, there had been a prior accident in the area just recently. A driver is required to use due care in driving for the present road conditions. However, unpredictable forces of nature can be a defense to a crash. Should the driver of the red car be held responsible in this case? Attorneys like me make the arguments, but it's the juries consisting of citizens like you that help dispense justice. Which driver do you think is at fault for this case? Leave us your video verdict in the comments below. And make sure to tell us what you considered in your deliberations. Also, if you find this video informative, please make sure you like and subscribe our channel, where we constantly offer fresh and informative content about accident and injury claims. Do you have a video that you would like us to break down in our next video verdict segment? Click our link below and visit our webpage where you can upload your video and other useful information about the accident you may have had. If we use your video in one of our video verdict segments, we'll send you a $50 Amazon gift card. Also, please watch and comment on our other video verdict segments. And remember, if you're hurt in a car, call PBAR. Our contingency fees start at 25%. Compare that to 33 or even 40% from some of our competitors. I'm Attorney Rich Bucheri, and I'll see you next time on Video Verdict.